Hey guys, welcome you all to the greatest Happy New Year with a lots of love and happiness. I will pray to God for you all that we all should be safe, and I had written something for you, all of you. So guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Aniket Topte. Yes, your friend. Today I'm not giving you to have a lecture or something about anything. I will just will share the small things that I have been experienced. Yeah, I have been learned from the back 2020. Actually, most of the people were saying surrounding me to do the video in Hindi or Marathi, so they can understand and also relatable. So friends and all, please share your goods and bads in the comments below down. I'm going to share you like some lessons I have been learned from my life. First, be flexible. Like try to adjust yourself as the situation will not be same for the long term. So change according to the situation and keep learning on. एक्चुअली जैसे मतलब क्या होता है कि जैसे भी हमें अपने प्रॉब्लम्स के हल खुद ढूंढना होता है, उसी ठीक कर एज बढ़ाना भी है, उसे जीत कर ही आगे बढ़ना है, राइट? सो इसलिए बी फ्लेक्सिबल एज लाइक वाटर, ये पानी की बोतल भी इधर ही है, ओके. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग, डेयर टू पुश योर सेल्फ. Second thing, first I will told you about myself. When I was not to start channel, I had no idea what I will share, no any topics or nothing about, no ideas, no plans, nothing. But I had made a mindset to do it. So after putting my first video, I had been confident, so I can do it. And this first move of your daring to upload the first video from my side helped me to be confidential for the next video. I think so. मतलब कैसे हमें कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा जो हमने अपने आप पर गर्व हो कि यस मैंने भी कर देखा, और ये करना ही उसका आउटकम है, ना कि उसकी तारीफ चाहिए आपको किसी से, उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है उसको. थर्ड थिंग, बी हैप्पी फॉर व्हाट यू हैविंग इन योर लाइफ. समटाइम्स वी जस्ट फॉरगॉट द पीपल्स रिलेशंस एंड ऑल विच टू whom we are having and keep thinking about what we not actually having in our life. This we miss out of I will think like love or spend the time with the people which are really important, like your parents and your brothers and sisters, and try to find the happiness in all the surrounding things. And one day we lost, because one day we will lost the loved ones and all things will be even like यार ये मुझे करना था उसके साथ. इट्स देन उसके कुछ मतलब नहीं कि उसको कुछ यही नहीं रहता, फिर मतलब ही नहीं रह पाता. इसलिए हमें अपने ज़िंदगी में जो भी मिलता है, जो हम डिज़र्व करते हैं, उतना ही अचीव कर पाते, इसलिए उतना ही मिलता है. इसलिए जो भी है उस पर प्यार करना सीखो एंड कीप मूविंग. Fourth thing, I will say that make your relation stronger. As your basic relation is stronger, you are more stronger acting confidentially in surrounding. Try to understand what matters he or she to you in your life. Try to understand their role in your life and give the importance as per their role in your life. And give the time to understand them to you and what that relation, so they will be flexible with you and the relation will be like for the long time. अपना रिश्ता कैसे भी हो, किसी से भी हो, ऑफिस में हो, घर में हो, दोस्तों के साथ हो, किसी से भी हो, वी शुड बी लाइक सामने अपना टाइम और सबको सामने की समझने की कोशिश करो कि अपने फ़ायदे में दूसरों का नुकसान ना करो. कि लाइक आपका काम है तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं. दिस इज़ नॉट फेयर. People always like the people who give their minimum time to understand them and try to tell to act if you know about that situation. Actually, all like that giving salahs, like, okay. Try to understand all other than you know. Try to understand more than you know. Fifth thing I will tell this. Actually, all we intelligent that to share the judgment, suggestion, results, all we are ready with us. We actually don't know that situation, don't have experience of that, but we know all that this is right and this is okay. and this is done, this is this and this is that, it's okay. This is not, but not all the time you're doing is good or it is correct. So try to understand more than you know, because 5 fingers of the same hand and the 2 hands of the same body is not different, is not same, sorry, is not same. So give its own space to do it. So जैसे आप समझते हो चीज़ ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो वैसा ही हो, वो बस आपकी लिमिट है सोचने की और कुछ नहीं, जस्ट आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है उस तरफ से सोचने का। जैसे आपकी जो थिंकिंग आई विल से दैट, जैसे आपकी वो थिंकिंग बनी चुकी है, मतलब बन चुकी है, वो साइकिल बन चुकी है थिंकिंग की वैसे, इसलिए सो समझने की कोशिश करो ज़्यादा करके, ना कि सुनने की। 6th thing, बी इट्स ओके, आई विल से लाइक या इट्स ओके, लाइक होता है बहुत कुछ ऐसा होता है। दिस इज the last but not the least, I will say it's fine for all the situation. I know it's not so easy to say it's okay and it's fine and end the sentence of thinking, but as my experience I had to make it so comfortable that anything whatever happens to me, I say it's okay and it's fine, because if you try to solve that puzzle it will get more complicated and all the time will got lost in that to solve that the same problem and thinking about the same, and you just forgot to live the present day. So say it's okay and it's fine and move on please, and you have to done it. Yeah, it's like solving the puzzle, but taking the minimum time to solve that puzzle, so you can solve the next puzzle also if your life. हाउ टू एक्ट इज, यार तूने ये मेरे लिए इतना अच्छा फेवरेट क्लास छोड़ दिया, नहीं ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। सो या बस लाइक ऑल कीप्स आर्ग्यूइंग एंड स्पेंड देयर लाइफ इन दैट स्मॉल प्रॉब्लम्स एंड डज नॉट लिव द लाइफ द हैप्पीनेस actually havingly. Yeah, okay, this was this. Thank you for watching me on my channel. Thank you for your love, your support and all thing, and the greatest happy new year to all of you with a lots of love, and keep, this is your Aniket Topte signing off with a lots of love. Bye.